Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Naid of BTech third year and I am contesting for Sports Secretary in the upcoming elections. Coming to myself, I have been Senator of BTech 18, goalkeeper of Inter-IT football team, thrower of Inter-IT athletics team, event organizer, photographer and video editor of Halla Bowl, core member of track and field events, emerging player of the tournament of League of Football Players, member of organizing team of Jashan Prom and many Nyasa events. As a person, to bring some change in sports culture, I have planned 3 agendas to be accomplished by the Sports Council. Those are my initiatives, my responsibilities, my vision for Inter-IT Sports Meet. When coming to my initiatives, I will conduct various fun games, camps and tournaments for women which involve both entertainment and different physical challenges. So by this, we can know their individual talents and capabilities which will help us in motivating them to join Inter-IT Sports Meet. Live streaming of inter-college matches played by our students to the student body. I would like to start it from the beginning of the practice matches to the inter-IT matches. This will definitely increase the adherence of students towards college sports community, and students also understand how worthy to put some blood in the ground. This will also help captains, secretaries to analyze their mistakes from those videos. Next, fitness club. Everyone of IDGN community can join. Main aim is to maintain perfect PMA. People who are already maintaining will be recognized and requested to be mentors for others. Then online team up. This is for the students who are not active in sports but maybe want to play in weekends. I would form a team to develop a mobile application that allows people to select a sport and add themselves to the vacancies in the respective lobbies. Then they can easily form teams and have their weekends joyful. Our sports complex is about to complete. After inauguration, I would like to conduct our own inter-college sports fest, which was already named as Ran Koshal. We'll try to collaborate with Digis Club to conduct more esports tournaments also. Coming to my responsibilities, sports equipment has been constant problem in hostel areas. I will make sure that equipment is sufficiently available and I will keep an update of equipment availability and non-availability with a valid reason through IITGN app. We have intra-college sports tournaments for every sport, and since there was a high participation from recent chess competition, I would like to conduct more intra-college chess tournaments and will work on providing them a separate hall for chess people. I will make sure that courts, tracks and fields are maintained properly by marking, watering, etc. Quickly replacing the damaged nets or any sports equipment. I will pass the budget as early as possible so the equipment will reach out quickly to us. I would ensure the systematic usage of sports complex by maintaining proper attire and time slots for the inter-IT practice and the rest of the student body. Already present sport council working on allocating coaches for some of the sports, and I will carry this responsibility further. Coming to my vision for Inter-IT Sports Meet, after Inter-IT mini player gets cooled up, they lose their seriousness. Soon after the Inter-IT, I am planning to form 2 set of teams within the same sport and they will competing among themselves every weekend. My main motto is to give them a short-term goal instead of showing them Inter-IT as the long-term goal, so that the seriousness continues. Then at the end of the year, Inter-IT Sports Meet will become as a short-term goal for them. I have been part of almost every event in our college as an organizer or as a participant or as a player. I can guarantee you that I can handle things with the experience that I have. If I am elected as sports secretary, I promise that I will put all my efforts and commitment to fulfill my responsibilities with utmost sincerity and address the concerns of the student community punctually. Thanks for watching.